In front of me is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, open background apps. If you are using tricky navigation, you can do that thanks to this square button. Now click on the top left corner on floating windows and tap on one of those apps to use them in floating window. If you don't want to use any of those, click on the top right corner and add any app that you want to use, like clock. To save your changes, hit done at the top right corner. Now click on your app, and as you can see after that, I can use it in tiny window. If you want to move it around, hold this line and drag it. You can also access the other app to use this way, overlay the other one. In order to make this app tiny, click on Home button and then access it again by tapping on the tiny window. You can always close it by going into background apps and simply swiping it. But if you want to, you can always just open any app, then go into Tab menu and look for a floating windows shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then click on your tiny window and use your app. If you wish to use it in full screen view, hold the lower line and drag it down. Then, to close it, tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!